Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to add doppelganger effect on InShot. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my InShot application on my mobile phone, and then I'm going to create new project. So I'm going to click on video and then select new, and you can choose a video you want to add doppelganger effect to. I'm going to select video from my download folder, and I'm going to apply doppelganger effect to this video. Okay, basically we can use doppelganger effect on InShot to clone ourselves in our video. I'm going to change the canvas. All right, and I'm going to show you how we can apply the doppelganger effect. We can go to the effect menu and then select the AI effect. And in this AI effect, we can choose a clone category. Okay, and here we'll have some options, guys, and I'm going to show you one by one. I'm going to choose this one, and we can customize the value like this, and also the angle, and then shadow. We can customize the value and motion and color. And for example, guys, I'm going to choose maybe this one, multi. Then I'm going to increase the value, and I'm gonna change the angle. All right, and this is the result. And you can click on the check mark after you're done choosing the doppelganger effect for your video, and you can make the effect align with your video like this. And wait, I'm going to go to the AI effect again, and I'm going to combine it with another effect. Let's try it. Okay, I'm gonna combine with this one as well. All right, and I'm going to reduce the value. Okay, and I'm going to make it align with my video. All right, and this is the final result. Okay guys, and that's all the way to add doppelganger effect to our video on InShot. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video guys.